Hi, I'm Rob Patterson. I'm here at Richard's Electric Supply in Cincinnati, wanting to demonstrate and show some of the products that we offer on the connector side of things. We do offer mechanical connectors from Ilsco, Burndy, and T&B, but we also have the Crimp-on type lugs. And as you can see from the variety of tools we have here, we offer for sale, and we also have a rental program available at all branches of the Crimp-on tools. As you can see, I'll demonstrate the Ilsco self-adjusting tool. We'll put the lug on, put it inside. We ratchet down on the lug up to 6 tons of pressure. And it will release when it is crimped at the proper pressure.